Pop-up Windows Part C-2. This is a clarification of C, things I forgot to mention. Also, I'd like to apologize for the bad audio in the past ones. I didn't realize how bad my microphone had gotten. So hopefully that is corrected now. So just want to do some clarification on the last part. The clarification is, why do we need all this stuff? If we just got a small program, it's operating down here, we don't need to do all this in and out stuff here. The reason behind it is, if you have a somewhat larger program, regardless what that might be, and your code resides down here, but it goes up into this area here, up in the 2000 range, or if your whole program is in the 2000 range, or your program is in the 4000 range, okay, or it's big and it covers all of that space, okay? This is why we do this, okay? Because again, if your program is anywhere in here, let's just take the normal cases. Down here, goes up to the stub swaps this portion out and brings in the high-res screen and the code, branches to 3200. First thing it does is bring in this work page, copies it, updates the screen, and once you hit the key, comes back. This one gets rid of this page, puts it back to normal, branches back to the stub, it brings back in the normal one, and we're done. So if your code resides in here, it works the same way. Your code will go to the stub, it will swap it out, bring this one in, do its thing, and reverse itself back out. It will go there, flip your code back in, and it works the same way. Likewise, if it's in here, your code would go to the stub, swap this one out, get this one swapped out, execute it, and reverse itself coming out. All I'm saying is wherever your code is, if it's down here, here, this here keeps you intact. If you've got a small program, you don't need to do all that, but this way here just keeps it all intact. There is one thing I did not mention, and one thing you have to remember. The code, once it's out of here, the pointer to the tables that we discussed in there, that is actually what's going to pop up on the screen, has to reside below this line here, in between E00 and 1FFF, or above the line here from 6000 up to, say, 7E00. So them tables must be there or down here, because if they're in here with your code, and this gets swapped out immediately, and the pointer has no place to find the table. So you'd have to arg your tables down here, and you can have your code up here, or likewise your tables up here. So that's just a thing to remember. It has to be outside of this area here. That's the clarification, and hopefully the microphone works good enough this time so you can actually hear what I'm saying, and that's all.